Welcome back to the channel today, guys. Today's video is going to be an update video to get us through the week, and we're working on a couple things. First thing to go over is, well, I'm sure most of y'all aware of No Shave November and this hairy thing on my upper lip. Trust me, I'm not fond of it either. It needs to go. It's December 2nd, and I've got engagement photos to do this weekend, so we're going to take care of this real quick, and then we'll jump into the rest of the video. Whew! Alright, it's gone. It's done. It's been a month. It's December 2nd. It's time for it to go, and it is finally gone. You have no idea how aggravating it is going into work every day and trying to accidentally nick it so you can go ahead and have an excuse to get rid of it. But I've done my part. I kept it the whole month. And I don't know if most of y'all know, in the fire department, the one I'm in, and mainly most of the ones around here, you can't grow facial hair down past the corner of your mouth because it gets in the way of your face seal, and there's certain tests you have to do, and you can't have facial hair down here. Long story. Anyway, so mustachio is all that you can grow when it comes to being in the fire department and No Shave November. So there are a lot of hairy dudes walking around with some ugly looking caterpillars on their lips. So it's gone. It is gone. This is going to be this week's video, and the reason for it is we got to do a couple updates to go over. Number one is the video that I was working on this week was part 2 of the replacing the back door. The video was coming along, and then I got to a certain point where I realized there was something in the video when I was working and I wasn't comfortable showing it, so I'm taking that part out, and I'll do a couple pictures of me working, so it'll be kind of like a slow time lapse. But you'll kind of get the gist of what's going on, and you'll see in the video. I'll cover it all in the video. But that's kind of why I wanted to go ahead and do this video to take place of that one, because I'm still working on it and trying to figure out how I wanted to go about doing that. Number 2, as you notice, I'm wearing my clean white t-shirt because I'm filming inside right now. There's no stains on it. There's no holes in it. I'm getting ready to trade it for a shirt with stains and holes and a pair of bibs, and I'm going outside. It's 40 degrees outside right now. And the way my backyard is, you know, there's probably not going to be a whole lot of sunlight. The wind's blowing. It's going to be cold as all heck out there. Cold for around here and cold for me anyway. So I'm going outside and working on that. It's going to be cold. I'm going to be working on part 3. Yeah, part 3 of the enclosed trailer build. And today we're actually going to be cutting metal and hopefully welding a frame together so we have something to start with. I'm way behind on that project because the back door took a lot longer than I wanted to. Anyway. So those are the 2 video things. So number 3 is actually kind of interesting because right now there are only 46 subscribers on this channel. It's a small channel. I do it because I have fun doing it. I don't really do it for anybody. I don't do it for the subscriber count. I have fun. Man, I gotta get used to it. I keep reaching up here because it's been there and now I'm reaching for it. Anyway, I don't do it for the. I don't really do this for the subscriber count. I do it because I enjoy doing it and I kind of like documenting stuff. It's really cool. And so a while back I had a what's the word I'm looking for? A company comment on one of my videos and wanted me to try some products. And they're not paying me or anything, but they did want to send me some products to try and use in my videos. Well, I thought I replied to it, but I hadn't. And so going back, YouTube's really weird on the comment things. I don't know why it won't load certain comments in certain places. Like if I go to comments unread, nothing pops up, but I click, it's some kind of filter up there. If you click X on it, all of a sudden all these comments pop up that I've missed. So I went back, I commented on it, and they asked me to email them and get in touch with them. I emailed them. Well, they want to send me some products to try out. They even gave me a shirt and a hat. It's being shipped right now and it's on the way, so that is coming up. I'm ready to try it out, give it a try, and it'll be in the videos. I may do a video just on the product itself because I have an idea of where I really want to use it at. You can really tell the difference if it works or if it doesn't. Actually, I'm not even sure it's for the purpose I'm going to be using it for, but what the heck. We're going to try it out and see how good this stuff is. So those are the main updates going on right now. I don't really think there's anything else. I do apologize if it's kind of echoey in here. We are in the middle of putting up Christmas decorations in the house. So this is my normal area, but the room that I'm in is full of stuff and hard for me to find my equipment and move stuff around. So I do apologize if the video or the audio is echoey. Hope you guys enjoyed the video like you do all my videos. And as always, like I always ask, hit that thumbs up button. It helps out so much you wouldn't believe. And if you're new here and haven't already hit the subscribe button, like I said, I don't do it for the amount of subscribers, but it does help you if you like my videos. It lets you know when I post a new video. So it does you a favor, it does me a favor. Let's call it even. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you on the next one. Hope y'all have a good one. We'll see you later.